Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm introducing image annotation with a mask in the context of the Cycon crowdsourcing platform and the Label Studio annotation tool. The goal here is to explain how we generate high-quality pixel-level annotations that can be used to train and evaluate segmentation machine learning models. Mask-based annotation is a key component of our data pipeline, especially for tasks that require precise spatial understanding rather than coarse object localization. Annotation with a mask refers to the process of creating pixel-level ground truth labels by marking exactly which pixel belong to a target object or region of interest. Using tools like Label Studio, annotator draw or refine masks so they follow the true shape and boundaries of the object, rather than approximating with boundary boxes. These mask annotations provide precise supervision for segmentation models and are essential for training and evaluating models that require accurate spatial and boundary information. Now I'll demonstrate how to use our Cycon crowdsourcing tool to implement the annotation with mask task. First, let's click on the crowdsourcing button, and then it will direct us to the Label Studio app. Let's click Create a New Project. Let's name it as Annotation Masks. And let's click Labeling Setup. Here we have segmentation with polygons, segmentation with masks. Let's choose this one. Here we can create our labels. So the task and image dataset for this segmentation with masks task is this one. So basically, we are doing labeling with the cars and some bikes. Let's do this too. Let's delete this one and let's create a new label, bike. Now let's click Save button. And then let's import the images we just talked about. Now let's click Import. Now we have all our images imported. Let's do a demonstration on the first one. Here we have the marker, and we can choose the size of the marker. If we click to the bottom, it will have very thin size. But if we click up, we have a larger size. Now let's click this car label and start to label our cars. Here we just fill this car with the blue color, and we can adjust the size of our marker. And let's do a second one. Now let's click Submit to save. Now let's mark this bicycle. Let's click Bike. So that's basically how we annotate this with mask, and click submit to save. And if we want to export the data, we can go back to our project and click export button, and we can choose whatever the format we want. Here I can click on this CSV format and have an example. We can see that this tag information that contains all the pixel values with our masks is saved here. And we also have the information about the image names, when it is created, etc. So this is our tutorial for image annotation with masks. Thanks for watching.